This is LeetCode question 463, island perimeter. This is easy question. Let's get into it. You are given a map in form of two-dimensional integer grid where 1 represented land and 0 represented water. Grid cells are connected horizontally, vertically, not diagonally. The grid is completely surrounded by water, and there is exactly one island, one or more connected land cells. The island doesn't have a lake. Water inside that isn't connected the water around the island. One cell is a square with side length is 1. The grid is rectangular. Width and height doesn't exceed 100. Determine the perimeter of the island. Let's check with example 1. Okay, let's count perimeter. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So return is 16. Explanation. The perimeter is 16 yellow stripes in the image below, like this. How we can solve it? Yes, that's right. We just iterate whole. We just scan whole cells in matrix and then calculate for direction. In this case, this is 0, so skip. And then this one, only we can check in the land. So this is land. So we check left, top, right, bottom. So left is water while outside of grid. Then we needed to add perimeter. Top also same, right also same, but bottom is different because below is the land, so no need to. It can make perimeter. So we just check this condition and iterate one by one. After finish the whole scan, we can get the number 16. Let's implement it. First, I will make variable counter initial with 0, and then I will scan the grid for allow in range from 0 to length grid, and for column in range length grid first allow. Okay, then if this is land grid, allow is column is land, then we will start checking. If allow is 0, allow is 0 means here, and then upper is must be there is one perimeter exists. So allow or grid allow low -1 is water, and then we increase counter. If column also same, counter +1. Okay, fix typo. If allow is here and then here, allow is here, we need to check. The position is length grid -1 because index start with 0 or grid. Allow -1 and column is water and count increase 1. If column is length grid, first allows length -1 or grid allow column minus 1 equal 1. Count plus 1. And then return count. I'm cleaning the code. Okay, let's check. Count 0, okay. Allows is range, length of grid, okay. Column, length of grid 1, okay. If current cell is the length, and then allow is 0, allow minus 1, cell 0, okay. Count column 0, allow column minus 1, okay. Allow is grid minus 1, okay. Column is, this one is plus 1. Okay, let's check. This typo, fix typo. Interesting. One is missing. Where is one? Count grid. Why this one is 1? Okay. Alright. In this case, time complexity is there is only one scan of a whole cell in matrix. So time complexity is mn, linear time with time complexity is constant because we do not use any extra data structure. Thank you.